Good morning to what day? Wednesday. It is actually Wednesday today. It's the 23rd. It is Wednesday. So I've just finished my first week on Slimming World, and I just weighed in. My first week I lost 4.6 pounds, so I'm like absolutely blown away, happy with that, like ridiculously happy. A period is due to start today or tomorrow, so I was kind of expecting a loss but not a big one, so I'm over the moon happy. I have had, if you've been following my Instagram, you'll obviously I've had snacks and I've had chocolate every single day, but I have stuck to plan 100%. I've not strayed once, not one thing has been eaten that has not been written in my food diary and accounted for. So I feel like food diaries are the way forward for me. I'll show you that I bought a new one because I had like an old one that was half used, so that's what I'm currently using until the end of the year. And I got myself this one from AAB Creative, I think it's called. Is there a note? Yeah, AABE Creative. And it's a year planner, so it's literally, this one's geared towards Slimming World, but they do Weight Watchers and calorie counting, and they do food, cleaning ones as well. There's loads, but it's literally a year's worth of food diaries. So from January I will be filling that in every day instead of my little random one that I've got. But yeah, today for breakfast I'm having a decaf coffee with almond milk and sweetener. It's not almond milk, it's oat milk today, Oatly Skinny. And I'll be honest, I don't count the milk in coffees and teas, and I know you probably should, and I'd probably get a better weight loss if I did, but I'm not going to. I don't count drinks. Obviously I count alcohol, but not, I haven't had any alcohol. But yeah, I don't count hot drinks because it's literally just a splash. So I think for breakfast I'm going to have baked oats because I had it a few days ago and it was really, really good. So I will make that in a second, and I will show you how I do it. It's literally just porridge. So 40 grams of porridge for your healthy bee, 1 banana. I blend everything on mine. I blend my banana so it's smooth because I don't like banana lumps. And then some fat-free yogurt. You can either use like just natural or Greek fat-free yogurt, or you could use like a bit of a muller and then count it as like a little bit of a sin or half a sin, it's up to you. Pinch of baking powder, and then chocolate chips. Is that it? Is that all I did? Is that all I did? That sounds too easy. I can't remember. I'll make it in a minute and I'll show you guys. And then we will go through the day as and when it happens. It's me at home with the kids today, so it might be a bit of a chaotic what I eat in a day, but it's happening. So either click off or get over it and watch it. I'll see you in a bit. This is my baked oats. I'm going to have it with the other half of the muller, so it's like 2.5 sins for the chocolate chips. No, 2 sins, yeah, 2.5 sins for the chocolate chips and then half a sin for the muller, so it's 3 sins in total. But trust me, she's worth it. Hi, it is, I'm going to have to turn you to look at the floor whilst I look at my watch. 1:30. The kids have just had their lunch. Foxy's still eating little bits and bobs and spitting it on me. Lush. I have got leftover risotto from yesterday. When I make my risotto, I follow the recipe, but then I don't put the parmesan in. You are absolutely gross. I don't put the parmesan in until I've portioned it out into bowls, because then I can use my healthy A like the exact amount, because if you put it all in, no, I'll be back in a minute. Sorry, he just put his chewed up biscuit down my top. Yeah, so I make a really big pan of risotto. I just do a BBC recipe. I'll link it down below. And this is what it looks like. I add in extra veggies. And then I don't put in the white wine that they tell you to, and I don't put the butter in. But other than that, it's the same, and it's all free or speed on Slimming World. And then once it's all cooked, I will then dish it my portion out into a bowl, and then I'll put my 30 grams of healthy A parmesan on it and mix it through, because then I know exactly what I'm getting. Because I always feel like if you put it all in one, you don't know if you're getting more than your portion of parmesan or if you're not getting enough, because why would you miss out on getting parmesan? So yeah, that is what I do. I will show you this when it's done, but it's just cooking at the moment, so I will carry on cooking it and then I'll plate it up. But that is my lunch, and then I've also got a Diet Coke, and apparently I'm having an apple because Fox got it out the fridge and took a bite out and then gave it to me and said mama, so I've got an apple as well. Okay, my risotto I think is all cooked through. I'm really nervous with like recreating rice, but we're gonna do it. I've only got 15 grams of parmesan just because it's only a little portion of risotto. I had cooked loads, but I don't think I'm gonna need that much now. We'll see. If I'm still hungry afterwards, I'll just heat some more up and have some more, because that is the beauty. Oh my god, this looks so good. Look, it's gone all gooey. Oh my goodness, I love risotto. Like, it's one of my favourite things, and you can't see it now because it's steamy. I've just had my bowl of risotto and it was delicious. I just had a bite of the apple and then he took it back off me again. It's covered in dribble. You are gross. He's literally just licking it and then giving it back to me. You got some, yeah, well done. Yeah. Apple. Can you say apple? I never eat apples like this. I always chop them up. I've already got apple in my teeth, which I hate. I'm going to chop it up. I don't know what we're having for dinner yet. I can't remember. Me and Ben did talk about it this morning, but I can't remember what we said. Oh, jack and potatoes is what we're having for dinner tonight, so nothing exciting. But I need to put those in about an hour and a bit, because they take like an hour and a half to cook. So me and my friend, we're going to go for a walk tonight, because we like to do like a 5k walk a couple of times a week, but it is absolutely hossing it down today. And she was like, do you still want to walk? And I was like, am I fuck getting my new hair wet? So we're not going. Yeah, don't put that down there, you're gross. I've only done 4,000 steps today, which is crap. Do not put chewed up apple down my top, that is gross. Why do you feel like that's okay? Because I keep a dummy in my bra. He thinks he can just put anything down there. I don't want apple skin down my teeth, down my top. You're a Wally. You can get that bogey. You can get that bogey. Got it. Ow! People can see you do that. You're just mean. I'm gonna go. Made myself a cup of tea. Obviously forgot about my cup of tea. I'm now gonna microwave my cup of tea. Sake, who does this? How many times a day do we microwave our tea? Come on. And coffee, just, I have to do this at least 3 times a day, because I take the coffee into the living room, or the tea, and I put it on the bookshelf where Fox can't reach it, and then I forget about it, and then I remember it, and then I have to, yeah. So I'll probably do this again in a minute. And I don't mean, I won't microwave this one again. If I forget this one, I'll just sack it off and make a new one, but I like literally forget like 3 cups of tea or coffee a day. This is my pre-dinner snack. We've been moved into tier 4 today from tier 2 come Boxing Day, and ordinarily I would have because I had a little bit of a cry, I would have definitely just started eating crap. But today I was like, nope, I'm not gonna let how I feel dictate what I eat. So this is what's happening, which is what you can hear. What's up? It is 8:30. I've been faffing and fannying, trying to sort the house out. My dinner was yummy. It was jacket potato with cheese and beans. Nothing exciting, but I just wanted some comfort food. I've now got a decaf coffee. I've just got to make some crackers. Then I'm going to go upstairs and have my snacks. But I'll show you my snacks when I have them. I am still editing. But I thought I would show you my snack. I got these initially for Christmas, for like a Christmas Day treat kind of thing. And then I was like, you know what, I can just have one. I've looked at it and they're 10 cents each. So I can just have one now if I want to. And I think I'm going to. So let me just pop you there. I'm not going to eat it yet because I'm going to go and eat it in bed when I'm finished editing. But I thought I would show you. They're big cups. And then they've got peanut butter and peanuts in the middle, but they are the big ones. So they're like 200 calories each, which is 10 cents. I have scanned them and they're not coming up on the app, which is annoying. I mean, look. I've just done the sins estimator online because I could get it to work online, and we have got 8 sins based on the nutritional information. So I'm still going to count 10 just because I'm not 100% sure. It's 200 calories, so 20 calories per sin, so I'm going to go with that. But that is going to be me done for the day. I will, when I go upstairs and eat it, I will insert a little clip to show you guys what it looks like inside. I'm very excited. I've not had these ones and I absolutely love peanut butter cups. So yeah, that was what I eat in a day for Slimming World, week 2. I want to lose 3.3 pounds this week because that will take me into the next stone bracket. I'm not sure I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to do it because of Christmas, but I either want to maintain or a little loss. I do not want to gain. So wish me luck and have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Oh no, even though this video is going to go out, it'll be past Christmas. So I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and I'll see you all in the new year.